O, nakikita nyo, which case yung ating pasyente na si Miss Hannah ay, ito na yan, curve with your thoracic scoliosis. Dextroscoliosis. Okay? More of yan. That's one. Hinga. Exhale. Wow. Yan. Squeeze it. Yup. Yan. Good. Hinga. Exhale. Wow. Nice. Close.
Mas mas malapit.
Mas magaan? Sige. Up. Ayan. At nakikita natin ngayon yung spine mo. At medyo bumaba na ito. Especially this one and this one. Okay? O, ngayon,
Galing.
picturean natin ulit. Ayan. So, this one is very well. Ito ay meron pa. Siyempre, hindi mo naman agad yan.